There are many myths about vaginal size and penis size. These myths often create anxiety, unrealistic expectations, and confusion. But when we look at anatomy and physiology, the science tells a much clearer story. The vagina is a muscular canal connecting the cervix to the outside of the body. It is not a rigid tube with a fixed diameter. At rest, the walls are naturally relaxed and gently folded inward. This means it does not remain open or stretched when inactive. The inner lining contains folds known as rugae. These folds allow the canal to expand when needed and return to its resting state afterward. The tissue is made of smooth muscle and elastic connective fibers, including collagen and elastin. This design gives it remarkable adaptability. During arousal, nerve signals from the brain increase blood flow to pelvic tissues. As blood vessels dilate, the vaginal walls expand slightly, and the upper portion of the canal lengthens. Lubrication increases, reducing friction and improving comfort. After arousal decreases, blood flow returns to normal, and the tissue gradually resumes its resting shape. Because of this elasticity, the idea that normal activity permanently changes vaginal size is not supported by medical evidence. Healthy vaginal tissue is designed to stretch and recover. Permanent structural change is uncommon and typically related to childbirth, aging, or certain medical conditions, not routine sexual activity. Childbirth provides a powerful example of vaginal adaptability. The tissue can stretch significantly to allow delivery and then recover over time. This demonstrates how flexible and resilient the muscular and connective tissue structures are. Now let's consider penile anatomy. The penis contains two primary erectile chambers composed of sponge-like vascular tissue. When arousal signals travel from the brain through the spinal cord, blood fills these chambers. This increase in blood volume produces firmness and lengthening. Erection is primarily a vascular and neurological process, not simply a matter of size. Scientific research shows that adult penile measurements fall within a relatively narrow biological range. Extreme variations are uncommon. Most individuals are anatomically average. So what actually matters? First, elasticity. The vaginal canal is dynamic and responsive. Within normal anatomical ranges, the tissue adapts to different sizes because of its flexible design. Second, muscle tone. Pelvic floor muscles influence sensation and comfort. If these muscles are tense due to stress or anxiety, discomfort may occur. If they are relaxed, comfort improves. Muscle relaxation often plays a greater role than anatomical measurement. Third, lubrication. Adequate lubrication significantly reduces friction. This factor has a stronger impact on comfort than minor differences in size. Fourth, blood flow and nerve function. Healthy circulation supports erectile quality and vaginal expansion. Cardiovascular health, nerve integrity, and hormonal balance all contribute to normal sexual function. Fifth, psychology. The brain is the central organ of sexual response. Anxiety, unrealistic expectations, or performance pressure can influence muscle tension and perception. Confidence, communication, and trust have measurable physiological effects on relaxation and blood flow. Hormones such as estrogen and testosterone also influence tissue elasticity, libido, and vascular response. Balanced hormones support normal function in both males and females. Many size myths are influenced by media portrayals that exaggerate proportions. These portrayals do not reflect average human anatomy. When compared to real medical data, most adults fall within typical biological ranges. From a biological perspective, the human reproductive system is built for adaptability. The vaginal canal is elastic. The penis relies on vascular expansion. Both systems are designed to function within natural ranges rather than extreme dimensions. In summary, what matters most is not measurement, but function. Elasticity, muscle tone, blood flow, lubrication, hormonal balance, and psychological comfort. Understanding anatomy helps replace myths with science. When we focus on physiology instead of exaggerated expectations, we see that compatibility is about healthy function, not numbers. If you found this explanation helpful, consider subscribing for more evidence-based 3D medical education. Leave your questions in the comments, and continue learning how the human body truly works from the inside.